What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another video. Today I'm here with this Polaris General 1000cc engine. We're gonna do some Iridium upgraded spark plugs, which were kind of hard to find, compatible ones, because you can't just like go online, type in, because the factory part number doesn't have a specific like Iridium partner or whatever. So it took me a minute, but I found it. So I'm gonna show you, and then you can do it, and it's pretty easy. So let's get into it step by step. Comment, please. Put some garbage down in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. It really helps me out. And let's get into it. So here it is here, 1000 Polaris General, and the motor is not in the front, the motor is in the back. So we lift up on this handle, unlocks it, and that gets this open, and then we can go over here, and there is the engine. Reach in here, you wiggle the spark plug wire and pull it out. Do that to both of these. You're going to use a 5/8 spark plug socket, 5/8. You're going to need a 6-inch extension and a ratchet and that 5/8 socket. Put it down in there. Make sure that you can hold your hand on this and it's not boiling hot, because you can rip the threads out. And just remove the spark plugs. Here's a spark plug you can use. NGK Iridium CR9EIX 3521. And here's the difference between the new and the old one. The heat range is colder on the new one, but that shouldn't matter. If this doesn't work out good, we can try to find a different one in the future, but from everything I'm reading, this is the only Iridium that fits this package thread, the depth and all that stuff. So we're gonna go with that for now. Put a little bit of anti-seize on it before you put it into the engine. Hopefully this video helped you out. I know it's short and sweet, but it took me a minute to even find the information online. So I also had to go through the book and verify the thread type, length, all that stuff to verify it was going to work in this motor. Needless to say, it works. Turn it on, drives fine, runs fine, idles fine, everything's good. So till next time, wrench on.